If you're seeing gritty black debris in your gutters, that's not dirt, those are granules. And losing them is one of the clearest signs your shingles are aging. First of all, let's explain what granules are and why they matter for the asphalt shingles on your roof. Granules are the ceramic or mineral particles embedded in the surface of asphalt shingles. They're not decorative. They play an important role in protecting your home. They protect the asphalt underneath from UV radiation, contribute to the shingle's fire resistance, help absorb impact, and give the shingle its color and texture. Without them, the asphalt is exposed, and exposed asphalt ages significantly faster. Here are some key signs that granules are missing from your shingles. On the roof, granule loss shows up as bare or thinning patches, areas where the asphalt is darker and exposed because the granule layer has worn away. In your gutters and at the base of downspouts, it looks like gritty black or gray sediment that accumulates, especially after rain. Here's what granule loss means for your asphalt shingle roof. Once granules are gone, UV radiation hits the asphalt directly and dries out the natural oils that keep shingles flexible. Without those oils, shingles dry out and become brittle. Brittle shingles crack, curl, and fail faster under weather stress. For roofs where granule loss is underway but shingles are still largely intact, Roof Maxx treatment can help restore the flexibility that's being lost. Roof Maxx replenishes the petrochemical oils that asphalt loses over time, especially when they have experienced granule loss. This restores the flexibility of the shingles and makes them more durable for years to come. Roof Maxx is designed for roofs that are aging but still structurally sound. It's not a repair product for roofs that are already failing, but it can add 5 years of life to suitable shingles for a total of up to 15 extra usable years over 3 applications. So if you're seeing granule buildup in your gutters or bare patches on your shingles, don't wait. Get your roof evaluated to find out if restoration is still an option before the window closes. Many homeowners have successfully used Roof Maxx to extend the life of their existing shingles and put off costly replacement for years. Find a dealer near you today by visiting roofmaxx.com.